Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to read future continuous tense. Urdu recognition of future continuous active voice tense is रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे वगैरह. And the helping verbs we will use will be, shall be. In affirmative sentences, first of all we write subject, helping verb, first form of verb plus ing and object. You can see an example here. इंजीनियर पुल की मरम्मत कर रहे होंगे. द इंजीनियर्स विल बी रिपेयरिंग द ब्रिज. एज यू नो, इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस वी यूज नॉट. द एग्जाम्पल इज औरतें हार नहीं बना रही होंगी. द वुमेन विल नॉट बी मेकिंग गार्लैंड्स. In interrogative sentences, we write will and shall in the beginning of sentence. Then we write subject, be, first form plus ing, object and question mark. क्या लड़का अपना सबक याद कर रहा होगा? Will the boy be learning his lesson? Start. Now we will read future perfect tense active voice. The Urdu recognition. Now we will read future perfect tense active voice. Urdu recognition of future perfect is चुका होगा, चुकी होगी, चुके होंगे वगैरह. This tense shows the completion of work. Helping verb we will use here will have, shall have. In affirmative sentences we write subject, helping verb, third form of verb plus object. मरीज दवाई की खुराक पी चुका होगा. The patient will have taken the dose of medicine. In negative sentences we write subject, will, shall, not, have, then first third form of verb and object. गांव वालों ने अपनी मदद आप नहीं की होगी. The villagers will not have helped themselves. In interrogative sentences, we write will and shall, will or shall in the beginning. Then we write subject, have, third form of verb, object and question mark. क्या मजदूर स्कूल में सफेदी कर चुके होंगे? Will the laborers have whitewashed the school? Now we will read future perfect tense passive voice. Helping verbs we will use here will have been, shall have been. In affirmative sentences, we write object, helping verb, third form of verb, by and subject. मुल्जिम पहचाना जा चुका होगा. The accused will have been identified. In negative sentences, we write object, will, shall, not, have been, third form of verb, by and subject. इसको रिहा नहीं किया जा चुका होगा. He will not have been released. In interrogative sentences, we write will or shall in the beginning, then we write object, have been, third form of verb, by and in the end subject. क्या संतरे गिने जा चुके होंगे? Will the oranges have been counted? I hope it is clear to you. Now we will read future perfect continuous tense. This the recognition of this tense is same as we have already read in future continuous tense, but a little bit difference is here that we can see there will be time as well. रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे वगैरह के साथ इसमें टाइम मेंशन होगा. हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स होंगे will have been, shall have been. In affirmative sentences, first of all we write subject, helping verb, first form of verb plus ing, object, since, for and time. किसान 4 रोज से हल चला रहा होगा. The farmer will have been plowing for 4 days. In negative sentences, we write subject, will or shall, not, then have been, first form plus ing, object, since, for and time. वो सोमवार से फल नहीं खा रहे होंगे. They will not have been eating fruits since Monday. In interrogative sentences, we will write helping verbs in the beginning, will or shall, then subject, have been, first form plus ing, object, since or for according to time, and in the end we will write question mark. क्या बावर्ची 9 बजे से खाना पका रहा होगा? Will the chef have been cooking food since 9 o'clock? I hope it is clear to you. For further practice, you will read more exercises from your book. Allah Hafiz.